What's going on, y'all? Chilling. Hope you all are having a good day. Just want to thank you all and welcome you all back. If you're new to this video, please check out the rest of our build videos. If you're not new to this video, thank you for returning. Just an update video, nothing crazy. I'm going to spin the camera around and show you what we done. So we got the bags set in the back. I got some longer shocks. Got to grind the gussets down a little bit. I like how it came out. Kind of looks a little alien-ish. Pretty cool. I can actually roll it now. I got some air in the front. I got the steering done. Had to order a longer 3/4 DD rod. I had to order a new universal joint here. This is a 11/16 36 spline, fit right on. I tried the steering out, it works great. Oh, come around this way. I had to remove a section of the frame here in order to get the bumper on. Last video, the bumper wasn't on. I made some brackets. I tapped them, used some General Motors bolts with washers. Got them fastened on so you can remove it. But now we've got the bumpers permanently mounted. So now I've got to make little tabs off of that bar to come up and bolt to the radiator support, which is right here. That first bolt where my finger's pointing at. So yeah, it's moving along. Waiting on fittings for the rear. Actually, what I can do is, I'm gonna pause the video a second. Okay, we're back. This is not ride height, but as high as she goes. Front's all the way up. It's probably about 6 inches off the ground, I would say. Rear is all the way up. I've got maximum travel on the bags. It's pretty cool. Yeah, she's pretty cool. Not that I would ride this high, but if I had to get over a speed bump or something, that's better. Yeah. So I'm going to be starting the floors very soon. Still got some things to weld up on the frame. I'm having a hard time finding a fuel cell. I'm probably going to have to make one. I kind of want it to sit in this zone right here. So, and I don't want it to come up any taller than this. I really don't want it to. Obviously, it can hang down a little lower. I kind of want to make a shield to go underneath it. So I'm just eyeing up some options on the internet, what I could use. There's nothing that's kind of a direct fit. Obviously, I'm going to have to make something fit. So it's not the end of the world. I will have a filler neck. I'll reuse this and have it just angle into the tank from here, kind of like so. I'm going to use all of the Suzuki gauges. So the temperature gauge and the fuel gauge. So I'm going to have to order a Suzuki fuel sending unit, which is no big deal. $22 on eBay. I'll have to order a temperature sensor for the engine. So obviously, so it works. I'm going to put some gauges in here anyway, but I kind of want the old, the OEM stuff to work. Is this cracked? Yeah, of course. Of course it's cracked. Yep, I'm going to have to order new gauges. But, yeah, no big deal. So, yeah, we're moving along. The front is basically done, except, shocks. Front shocks. Still got to do those. Those might be a little bit of a challenge because of that steering, but we'll see. I might have to just make something to go over this and come down and go over and come down. Not the end of the world. I've climbed over enough obstacles with this truck, or should I say, it's not a truck. I guess it is. Yeah. Anyway, climbed over enough obstacles. So I got a bunch of boxes here on the other side. I got all my stuff for my engine. I got a Weber carb with a polished performance intake manifold. I've got an Evergreen timing chain kit for the engine. I've got all new gaskets. So we're going to be doing the engine real soon. I picked up a tub from Home Depot. I'm going to sit the tranny in that, give it a brush job, a clean job, clean it up, paint it. Yeah, so that's basically it. So anyway, just an update. And that'll do it for today's video. I hope you like what you see. Consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed already. And before you know it, should be on the road. So going as fast as I can. I'm by myself. It's not easy. I usually have a helper, my son, but he is working. So somebody's got to work and make the money because I ain't. Anyway, enjoy your day, guys. Talk to you soon.